In this video, I'll show you how to add a countdown timer in Wix. Since Wix doesn't have this as an available feature, we do need to use an external website, but it's completely free of charge and you don't need to add any credit card information at all. So if you want to learn how to add a countdown timer like this to your Wix website, just continue watching. The first step is to go to elfsight.com. I've added a link for this website in the video description that is going to take you to this exact page. And once you're here, you simply need to head up to widgets, and all the way down under e-commerce, you can see we have the countdown timer right here. So go ahead and click there, and now click on this big pink button. Now from here, it takes you down to this kind of template builder where we can start designing our widget. So as you can see, we have loads of different templates to choose from, and you can just choose something that's similar to what you're looking for, and you can also customize it further to your liking at the end. So if you want to pick something like this, but you don't want these colors, you can customize this. And the same goes for the text and everything. So just go ahead and choose something to your liking. In this case, I think I'm just going to go ahead with this option right here, a Black Friday sale. And then when you want to customize it, go ahead and click continue down here at the bottom left corner. Now from here, you need to start by adding all of the details. So if you want to add a start date, you can do that by going ahead here. And then you just need to go way ahead because we are way ahead for some reason. So just go ahead to a month. Let's just say like this to, let's say this right there. And now we have a countdown timer that's going to start around then. Actually, let's just make it the 24th because it's the 23rd today. So now we have a countdown timer. And as you can see, you also have loads of different customization options down here. So if you want to, you could go ahead and change the text or edit the percentage. You can also choose what kind of position it should be, whether it should be static or floating. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on button over here. Here you can customize what this button right here does. You can also customize if you want a button, so you don't necessarily need one. And if you don't want one, just go ahead and toggle this one off. In this case, I'm just going to keep it here. One thing you need to do is to go ahead, if you have a shop now link, for example, is to go on your website on the shopping side of shopping page of your website and add that link here. That directs your customers to this specific link that they click on when they click on the button. And once you're happy with the rest of the settings, you can go ahead and click on appearance. So you have different styles of countdown timers, and you also have different themes here. So if you just want to stick to something simple like a theme, you can just go through them here. And as you can see, this is a blank one, so you can go ahead and add the colors and everything down here as well. One last thing I would do is to go ahead and click on fonts right here, and then I would go ahead and choose a font because for some reason, even though it says it's going to apply it from the website, it's going to make it into Times New Roman. Most people don't have Times New Roman on the website, so if you like what's here, I would suggest using Arial. Go ahead here, and you can see this is the before and this is after. And once you're ready to add this to your website, go ahead and click add to website for free down here. And on your page, you're going to have a page where you can sign up to make an account with Elfsight. So just go ahead and sign up with Google or whatever you'd like. And from there, you should end up on a page that looks something like this with your template. And this is the exact same page. So if you don't have anything else you want to edit or adjust, go ahead up here where you should have a big green publish button. Go ahead and click on the publish button, and from there you should enter a page where you can select a plan. Go ahead and select the $0 a month plan that should be on the left hand side around here, and from there you should end up on a page that looks something like this. And now you can go ahead and click copy code and go back to Wix where you can start adding it. Now to add this, go ahead and click add elements up here, go down to embed code, popular embeds, and embed HTML. This should add a box like this to your website. If there's any code in here, just delete it so it's completely blank and insert the code we just copied and click update. Just like this. And now click away, and then you can just expand it so it fits your website. And there you have it. Now we have a super nice countdown timer on our Wix website. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.